How to set dual SIM always on forward calls to any available SIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, we go down and tap on SIM manager. Then in here, we go down and tap on more SIM settings. Next, tap on dual SIM always on. From here, before you tap on the toggle button to turn on, go down and enter in the phone numbers for your SIM card. Then tap on select how to forward calls. From here, select forward calls to any available SIM. So select the option and then tap on done. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now make sure you turn this feature on, so tap on the toggle button to switch on dual SIM always on so that you can use it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.